Hello, buenas, half a day. A little winter garden tour here in January. It's been cold and warm, and I have a new addition. Check this out. I started these sugar snap peas inside and took them out about a week ago. Let me back up. So I love using Earthboxes, especially for summer crops, because you add water to the reservoir and you're good for several days to a week. But anyways, Earthboxes with about 5-foot wooden stakes on each corner, Christmas lights, a double layer of row covers, and a single layer of plastic. And it keeps these babies warm through the freezing temperatures. So we've had a couple of nights of freezing and they survived. Yeah? Cool. So compost bins, and those are breaking down nicely. I freeze and save kitchen scraps and garden clippings, and then I blend it up so it breaks down faster in the cold temperatures. But here are my brassicas. Again, same concept, Earthboxes, wooden stakes, and then I leave those row covers. It's a double layer, and I roll them up when I want to air them out or give them some sun. Roll them down when it rains a lot or when it's sunny. And since I've kept them covered through a lot of rain, I left them open last night so they could get some this morning. But anyways, there's the cabbage. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. Look at that mud. It is so soft out here. It's crazy how much rain we've been getting and how warm it is. I think that one's trying to head. We'll see. I just fertilized these plants yesterday or the day before. I think it was Saturday with some fish fertilizer. And then I'm making my own batch of, well, we'll look at it on the other side. See that broccoli? My own batch of swamp water. I learned from David the Good on YouTube. Check him out. Guys, these broccolis are growing so nicely. The cabbages, the pak choi. All my pak choi are flowering or bolting because it gets so cold at night sometimes. I'm sure the weather is chaotic everywhere. But anyways, it's okay that they're flowering because we get some nice yellow. This one here flowered a week ago. But look at the broccoli, y'all. Look at that. I grew it. I'm so psyched. I'm a very newbie gardener. So this whole year and last season have been experimental. I'm taking notes so we can make our Guam food even more delicious with freshly grown produce. Broccolis are doing good. I bought these as starts from Lowe's because I was passing by and they had them. It was too late to start from seed, so I'm glad they had the transplants. Okay. Oh, look at that. My blueberry holes that I dug, 4 of them. They're 2 square feet and 1 foot deep. I'm going to put strawberries where those bricks are. 5 strawberry containers. Actually, strawberry kiddie pools. So, this one here is my attempt at winter sowing. That is planting seeds in potting mix and keeping them outside so you don't have to harden them off if you grow them inside. I don't know. We'll see. The weather's just so crazy. I have to cover them for another day. This is my swamp water experimental carrot pool. So basically water with, clippings and kitchen scraps, and they've been fermenting for I think a month or 2 now. It smells horrid. It smells just like fish emulsion. So anyways, that's all I've been feeding this bed, and it's working good. Then the second bed there is carrots again, and I fertilized it with fish emulsion. So I figured if they smell the same, I'm hoping this homemade swamp water is safe. These are the bigger carrots. They were the first plantings, mid-October. They're doing great. Batting cage is still up, although it's probably going to come down this spring or summer. Not down. I'm going to use the wood and string some tomatoes on there. But the garlic in grow bags and kiddie pool, I don't think they're supposed to have this much green growth, you know, because it's going to take supposedly 8 to 9 months for them to reach a good bulb size, but, you know, can't control the weather out here. Although I do use a kiddie pool to cover the tops here when it rains, right? So, because it's too much rain. I just left it open the last day or two because I had kept them closed before. Anyways, that's my kiddie pool garden bag, Earthbox garden here in Zone B, Holly Springs, North Carolina. I'm so excited.